YouTube. My name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. Recently, I have become super obsessed with argan oil. So today I thought I'll share with you some beauty hacks related to argan oil for healthier hair and skin. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell button so that you will be notified every single time I upload a video. So, enough talking, let's get started. Now, what makes argan oil this liquid gold, as it is called, is its moisturizing capacity. This oil is extremely rich in vitamin E, fatty acids, as well as antioxidants, which help moisturize your skin as well as help reduce redness and scarring. In fact, argan oil is known to help reduce the excess oil production on your face, and it also has anti-sebum and sebum inhibiting properties, which helps neutralize the oil production on your face and yet moisturize it. How cool is that? So now you may be wondering how to use this fabulous product. Let me tell you how. So the first and most common use of argan oil that everyone knows is as a leave-in conditioner for your hair. It helps control frizz, which is why I use it, because my hair is frizzy as F. And it also helps in making your hair softer. Basically, all you need to do is, once you take a shower when your hair is still damp, take about a coin-sized amount of argan oil in your palm and then just run it through your hair. Honestly, my hair is super unmanageable after I wash it because it's very frizzy and it gets tangled very easily. The argan oil really helps me comb out my tangles so easily, and it makes my hair smooth, which is why I love it. The next use of argan oil is like a normal moisturizer. All you need to do is take just 1 or 2 drops of pure organic argan oil and then rub it in circular motions on your face. Now you can use this as a moisturizer during the day or night, it really doesn't matter, but I prefer using it at night just before going to sleep. The third use for argan oil is against acne. Now, like I already said, argan oil is non-greasy, it's non-comedogenic, and it has anti-sebum and sebum inhibiting properties which help reduce the oil production on your skin. This makes it perfect to use for oily skin, and because of these properties, it can even help reduce your pimples. Again, all you need is like literally 1 or 2 drops of the argan oil, and then all you have to do is spot the areas which have acne, like the affected areas which have pimples, and that's about it. Just that small bit of argan oil really goes a long way. The next use for argan oil is as a toner. Now this is basically just to add a little bit of moisturizing capacity to your toner. Now you can use whatever toner you like, but I prefer rose water. So what I do is I add about 1 or 2 drops of argan oil to my rose water and then just mix it all together to form an amazing moisturizing toner. Then I take a little bit of that toner onto a cotton pad and then I just dab it on my face. And that's about it. And the last use of argan oil is to make your own DIY scrub. This is basically an exfoliating scrub with that added moisturization that's coming from the argan oil. So what you need for this is about 1 tablespoon of raw brown sugar, and to this you have to add a generous amount of argan oil, probably 1 or 2 teaspoons. Then just mix it all together until it forms a scrub-like consistency. You might have to add a little bit more argan oil depending on the type of consistency of the scrub you desire. Now once the scrub is formed, take a small amount of it in your hand and then just exfoliate your face. Then rinse with water, and of course once you're done, don't forget to pat your face dry. So yeah, those are the beauty hacks that I want to share with you guys related to argan oil for better skin and hair. But I want to point out one more thing before I end this video. Now there are different brands of argan oil that are available in the market. There are some which are pure organic 100% argan oil, and then there are some which is like a percentage of argan oil and the rest is made up of things like silicones, maybe other oils and other ingredients. Now if you want to use argan oil for your skin, for your face, especially for your acne, then make sure that it is the 100% pure organic argan oil. because there are a lot of things which are called argan oil of Morocco, like this product, but this one is only for your hair and it cannot be used for your skin, especially oily skin which is prone to acne. And I know that pure organic 100% argan oil is an expensive product, but honestly all you need to use is just 1 or 2 drops of it every day, and a small bottle can last you a really long time. So I honestly feel it's worth it, and I think it's an amazing product. So yeah, that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share some love down in the comments, and please do subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. Bye!